I know now that the more you seek the face of God, the more you'll discover talents that were once hidden.
Hello everyone, my name is Jermaine McCarthy and I love art. Growing up, it was always the art of dancing. I first started dancing back in grade 9. Whenever time I go to school, I'll be there dancing. When the teacher is teaching, my feet under my desk will be swinging left and right, back and forth. Teacher would be like, "Hey, Mr. McCarthy, keep still."
Even at lunchtime, we'll create this ring, and I'll be there in the middle dancing like crazy. When I graduated high school, I created a dance group, and that's when my fame started rising. And I have inspired a lot of people through my dancing over the years.
And as I grew older, I started taking God seriously. And that's when I realized that my passion for dancing started changing to cooking.
Going back to the roots that my mother instilled in us when we were children, I sought a deeper relationship with God. From there, He began to show me different ways that I could create a dish. It got to a point where you can give me any ingredient and I can use it to make a 5-star meal. That brings me back to when I was running my own restaurant. At night, I would stay up until 2 a.m. prepping the ingredients for the following day. Then I would wake up soon after to ensure that the fishermen received their meals on time to go out to sea. My creative passion extended into music also. But nothing beats the feeling that I get from playing the bass guitar. The scripture says, "Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door shall be open unto you." Seeking God as a way of uncovering hidden talents you never knew you had. Have a blessed day.
Photography by McCarthy's Media Services. Follow them on Instagram at Michael27519.